back. Okay, in fact, I did not even know that I would vlog this video. I don't even know what made me to go and pick up my camera, but you know, it is what it is. You gotta go. So guys, yeah, welcome back to our channel. I'm making soup. I'm making a egusi soup. All right, that is what we are having for dinner. Okay, so hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give it thumbs up, subscribe if you have not. Makaniga, like, yeah, you gotta go. Yeah, I'm almost done with the soup. Okay, so see you guys later. See how everywhere it just looks scatter. This is face camera. See as everywhere scatter. I'm portioning the meat. I just washed that meat. I portioned it. Yeah, the soup is cooking over there. See what my baby did with my vegetable. She put it inside this can. Esther, this girl can now scatter things. Esther, what are you doing? If I enter my living room now, everywhere is just to scatter. See what I put. When I know when I buy this thing now. Now Esther, they holler for here now. The water will finish. Now she carry both cucumber. She understand. She put cucumber. She put carrot. She put pepper. Oh, voila. You
The next day.
Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so guys, yeah, good morning. Today is another day. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, yeah, I'm just coming out from immunization office. What am I saying? Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, and guys, I forgot my baby's immunization yesterday. Thank God to my husband though, he had to remind me. Like, I regularly forget things these days. Like, it's getting worse. I forget things now. Why I come born, the thing can't do too much. So we are just coming out from the immunization. I thought they are going to give us another date, okay, because the other time that I forgot, they gave me another date to come. But this time around, maybe I don't know, Sha, but this time around they have to, you know, give her the vaccine today, because it was we were supposed to go yesterday, but I forgot. So we are just coming out this morning. Thank God they gave her the vaccine, okay, until 18 months. Until when she be 18 months, we'll go back. That is 1 year and 6 months. We are going to go back. I said, let me tell you guys, all right? So we are going back home. We are going back home, and you know, sir, as usual now, people, they look. I'm backing home. Mommy, say hello. Hello. So yeah, I'm going to where we'll enter bus, okay? I'll talk to you guys when I get home. All right? Yeah. Let me show you guys the environment.
Guess my aim was off, the target's out of sight. Would I be better if I left it all behind? 'Cause we could find a way, we could find a way. Find another place where we can just escape. We could find a way, we could find a way.
So, hey guys, yeah, today is another day, okay? Yeah, yesterday we went to take vaccine, okay? And yes, today I want to be ending this vlog, but I want to clean my fridge. Hey God. So today I want to be cleaning my fridge, okay? Yes, so I want to take you guys along, and please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not. I've just finished cleaning the bathroom, okay? And I'm so much tired. Oma just woke up, though she slept when I was cleaning the bathroom, and that is why, you know, I didn't want to carry you guys along, because I go there where they arrange camera, try to, as not camera. I go there where they try to position the camera. She will wake up, so I have to, you know, do it sharply. And I did it. I finished everything before she wake up. So cleaning this fridge now, I just have to back her. So let's do this together, okay? She's at my back shouting, "Madam, So you are who make another one. You people should not love this fridge, oh. This is how my fridge is. In fact, you guys know that hubby bought me new deep freezer. Okay, so it's as if I abandoned this fridge because I still new fridge. You know that kind of thing now. So I'm going to be cleaning this fridge. Let's get to work.
Here we
I see how
are,
it's been. That we
locked
finish this
down
one.
in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in this same sky, when I'm on the other side.
Guys, I want to show you something. I don't buy eggplant. I don't know if you guys are seeing me. I went to buy eggplant. This eggplant don't take. I said I want to try new thing. I said make I try new thing. I've not eaten eggplant sauce or stew before. So I said let me try this eggplant. That's why I end up. That's why my trying up new thing end. Guys, gonna see. But anyway, it's not something that cost. It's very, very, very cheap. How much I even buy it? It's like 5 tier. Okay. I no can't try it, but I must still try it. Because oh God, the one that they see my eggplant. Oluchi want try new thing. How do you village girl and new thing? Wash these things now, okay? I want to wash them. I finished cleaning the fridge, but I'll show you guys. I finished cleaning this fridge, okay? All right. At least it's more better.
The fear no beat up keeps going on, and the melody on my escape, vibration on my soul, it sends me to the peak, without no regret. You got no love, without no love. You got no regret, without no regret. You got no love. I'm melody where I belong in this life.
Sometimes my baby is disturbing me. I don't know. Come on. I'm watching life with the looks. Come on. This they are naughty question where they answer here. I don't laugh fire. Take. This is fruit past fire. I put orange inside. Fire take. Make I take vitamins, get strength. Oh, it's not easy. Yeah.
The fear no beat up keeps going on, and the melody.
So I'm done cleaning the fridge and my baby just slept. I just have to, be quick with what I'm doing. Hubby is not back yet. All right, so let me show you guys the fridge, okay? Man, I don't laugh me or nothing did this fridge now. So here it is. Okay, at least it's looking neat than before, right? Nothing is in my fridge, nothing there, but at least Uber day. This is Uber. At least I get Uber for my fridge. Voila. My fridge is empty, but I get Uber. You guys remember that Uber energy drink? Yeah, if you have not watched that video, please, I will leave the link on the description box. Watch that video, you will love it. Okay, so guys, yeah, that is it for that fridge. I did not do a deep cleaning on this fridge, okay, because it's late, and you guys know I did a thorough cleaning on my toilet, okay, and bedroom. Just have to just clean it, all those nyama water, make it come out there, okay, even though nothing there, make it day neat first. So I'm preparing dinner. I don't know what I'm preparing, no. I don't know. I just ran out of many things in this house. So we are just we will go for shopping. I ran out of things, so I want to prepare stew. I just dey hungry for white rice and stew. I don't even have fresh tomato, and I don't like tin tomato. Who else? Do you like using tin tomato to cook your stew? Only tin tomato. I don't like it. Okay, I prefer fresh tomato. They give that one kind obonge correct taste. But anyway, I'm just going to use the tin tomato like that because I cannot go down to go and buy it in the street. Nobody will be here with Oma. I don't even want to stress myself. Let me use what I have here. I'll be using this. This is the only fresh tomato I have in this house. You can imagine. Anyhow, where this stew na stew. Oh. Hey, yeah. So this is the turkey I will use. Let me stir it. This is the turkey I will use. Okay. Like, I don't even have fish. To say I have fish, it will make sense too. All the egg is well. So guys, I'll talk to you guys when the food is ready. Anyhow, where this stew be, my people, stew na stew. As long as say you go serve us this night, we go chop. I thank God. Oyana, we go see.
I think it's dawned on me that you ain't coming back. I've lost my chance to see us find our way back. And in the end, amidst these trying times, I'll always try.
Yeah, guys, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate. If today is your first time stopping by, please feel free, smash that red subscribe button, and be a part of this family. You gotta go. You will like us, so you will love me, you will love us, you will love this family. You gotta go, okay? So thank you all, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate. I love you guys so much, okay? So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.